Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today we're checking out the 2025 Husqvarna EE3, a compact electric motocross bike built for young riders ready to hit the dirt. Clean, quiet, and surprisingly capable, this bike brings Husqvarna's racing DNA into the electric beginner class. Let's get into the details. Performance and power delivery. Powered by a 3.8 kilowatts electric motor, the EE3 delivers instant torque with zero hesitation. It's clutchless and gearless, which makes it easier for beginners to focus purely on throttle control and balance. Power delivery is smooth and progressive, helping new riders stay confident without getting overwhelmed. Top speed is enough to keep things exciting, but not excessive, just right for its target age group. Battery and charging. The 60-cell lithium-ion battery delivers between 30 to 60 minutes of ride time, depending on how hard it's pushed. Charging through the standard charger is simple, and a fast charger is available if needed. One standout feature is the swappable battery design. Being able to quickly switch packs keeps the riding going longer with minimal downtime. Chassis and suspension. The EE3 uses a steel chromoly frame, light enough for small riders, but strong enough to take on trails and tracks. WP-zacked forks and a rear mono-shock handle suspension duties. The suspension travel is generous for its class, soaking up bumps and small jumps with ease. Steering is light and responsive, and the low center of gravity helps with balance and cornering control. Ergonomics and controls. The layout is simple and well-designed, with a mode selector near the throttle and an easy-to-read power indicator. Seat height is friendly to younger riders, and the narrow bodywork allows for a secure, confident grip. It's easy to pick up, move around, and load into a vehicle, an underrated advantage for both riders and parents. Safety features. Key safety features include a lanyard-style kill switch and a rollover sensor that cuts motor power if the bike tips over. Ride modes act like training wheels, limiting speed and response until the rider is ready for more. Regenerative braking adds controlled deceleration while helping preserve battery life just a bit longer. Price and value. The 2025 Husqvarna EE3 comes in at around $5,200. That puts it in line with other premium electric youth dirt bikes, though you're paying for Husqvarna's proven build quality and race-focused components. For families serious about off-road riding, it's a solid investment into performance, safety, and reliability. Verdict. The 2025 Husqvarna EE3 is a well-built, well-thought-out introduction to off-road riding. It's clean, low-maintenance, and delivers performance that's just right for developing skills. That's it for today's look at the Husqvarna EE3. If you're into electric dirt bikes and fresh tech on two wheels, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching Motor Insight, and as always, ride smart.